Good morning. Today is actually a really cold day and it's kind of gloomy outside. It's really gray. So I just have my breakfast here. I'm drinking some tea and then I'm going to have my cinnamon rolls that I have here. And then I'm going to be editing my book today and then filming a few videos. So I have quite a lot to do today. So I will give you guys the check-in later in the day. Okay, so I am sitting down. I have my cup of tea. Here's my lighting setup. Here's my audio setup with my new microphone, but tell me in the comments what video do you think I am filming. Okay, so I am at the grocery store. I'm actually at Whole Foods, and today is Monday, and it's 12:30, and this parking lot is jam-packed, which pisses me off, because y'all are supposed to be at work. I'm supposed to be able to do my groceries, get my groceries, in a non-crowded grocery store, but why all y'all here? Like, go back to work. Alright, so I am now at Bed Bath & Beyond. I just kind of want to see what they have. I want to look at some Christmas ideas. So I'm going to go walk around, and it's cold enough. Like, it's like 30 degrees out. So I don't feel like I need to worry about my cold food. And I only have bacon in there. It's not like I have a lot of cold food to be in the car and be okay. I think I am just gonna go back home because Bed Bath & Beyond was crazy, and I went just to go look at coffee makers, just to look, not to buy. And I'm in the coffee making section. Number one, everyone was there. Everyone and their mother was there. And I was I finally found like an empty, I don't like being around people when I shop. Like, if somebody's in that same aisle as me, it makes me uncomfortable. So I finally find the coffee section. It's pretty empty. And I'm like, yes, no one's in it. So I'm looking at the coffee makers, and all of a sudden this guy comes up behind me, and I'm like looking at him, like waiting for him to leave. Turns around, and he's like, he's an employee. He goes, do you need any help? And I'm like, no. He just stands there. He must have been like a salesperson. And so he just stood there, and I wanted to be like, well, can you move? Can you just like leave this section for a minute? Because I would really like to just look and browse, because I hate it when somebody watches you shopping. I hate it. Like, hate it. And I can't focus, because I'm always thinking, I can like feel their eyes on me, and I'm like, I don't like it. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna go home. Like, I don't need this right now. And that's why I like to online shop so much, because I don't have anybody looking at me, and I can go at my own pace. And because like I feel like even in the grocery store, if I'm like looking at the milk, there are people behind me waiting to get to the milk, and I feel rushed to get the milk, not look at all my options, and go. And it's just not like a fun experience. I'm like, I like to take my time. I like to look at all the options, but today is not that day.
Okay, and then water. You want the water bottle right now?
So I stopped by Shake Shack because I wanted to try their chicken sandwich because some of my friends had like this like big like contest where they tasted all the chicken sandwiches, including the Popeye one. And they said that this one was the second best. And I'm gonna have to say, it's a pretty good chicken sandwich. So it gets my approval. I still have to taste the Popeyes. So, but I was around Shake Shack, so I went ahead and grabbed one. Hi guys, so I just finished filming for the day. I'm pretty sure I'm done for the day, but I just wanted to have a conversation with you guys that I noticed that was happening. And I don't know, I want to hear your guys' opinion on it. So I was looking at a coffee maker on Amazon, and I saw it was at a good price, and then I looked at the version of white on Amazon, blah, blah, blah. The white one was $100 more than the black one. I'm like, well, why is the white one so much more expensive when on the site of this coffee maker, they're the same price? Like, I know that. Like, I can go to their website and look it up. And they're the same price. Then why is the discounted price this, and then it's $100 more for the white? To me, I'm like, well, that seems a little sexist. Because women are really into white kitchens and white right now, including me. I wanted the white version because I want eventually to have a white kitchen. And actually, my kitchen now is pretty white. And everything's white except the floor and the countertop. So I thought it'd be nice to have a white Keurig. But I was like, okay, it's not sexist, like, don't read into it, like, whatever. And then I was looking at a coffee, like, stir, like a coffee frother, just one of those, like, stick ones that you can just, like, buy for, like, $5 on Amazon. And they had a bunch of different colors. They had, like, black, red, blue, and pink. Well, the black one is $8. The pink one is $15. At that point, I'm going to call that a little bit sexist because there's no difference in between models. It's literally the same model as the black, but the pink is more expensive. The blue is more expensive. Like the colors, the enamel colors are more expensive than the black, but I don't see why. So, I don't know. What do you guys have to say about that? Have you noticed a couple of different products being sexist on Amazon? Because I really have. I like whatever I want is usually more expensive than just the typical generic colors or whatever, you know. Like it could be the same thing but just a different color and it's more expensive. And I don't know why. Because, excuse this, if you're going to ask me to price match something, the black machine is the same machine as the white machine. I'm going to price match the black machine. I'm still going to get that price, no matter what Amazon says. Like, they are the same machine and the same price on the distributor's website. It's just Amazon has decided to make the white one $100 more expensive. I don't know. To me, that's pretty sexist. I'm not gonna lie. So, let me know what you think in the comments down below. But, yeah. Dinner time. I am having some street tacos from Costco with a Coca-Cola. So, yum, 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 yum. Okay, you guys. So, do you see this little area over here? I really do think I'm going to create that into a coffee bar. So, what do you think about that? I know it's like in my living room, but I have nowhere else to put it. Because that's all alcohol over there. And then I would put it where those two chairs are. But Mom said no. But do you think I should put it there where the two chairs are? Like those two plaid chairs, like right there against that wall and move the chairs? I don't know where to move them, but should I do that? Or should I just move it over here? Hi, Alice. Let me know. You guys, so I'm just sitting here on my computer. And hello. How are you doing today? You just hanging out with me? Okay.